Hello viewers, this is attorney Naresh Gehi, and today, based upon the turbulent times which we are having in this country, particularly with reference to immigration, I would request all my viewers to make sure that they obtain their legal status properly in this country and live here happily if you intend to live in the United States. Things have been difficult, and we don't know the future of what is happening with immigration at this point of time. But I would strongly recommend everyone who is undocumented or who plans on living in this country to try to get the green cards as soon as possible. Now, how can you get a green card? I'm going to explain the different ways through which you can qualify for a green card in this country. Number one is getting married to an American citizen. If you get married to an American citizen, and if you came in on a visitor's visa or a student visa, there are very few exceptions. You can qualify for your work permit in 4 months, and in approximately 6 months, you can qualify for a green card. That's one way of looking at this particular issue. Now, second way is that if you are from a country wherein the visa category is current, and I'm talking about the employment-based immigration visas, ask your employer to sponsor you for a green card as soon as possible, except for India, China, and some of these countries. The categories are current for most of these countries. So we've been recommending all our clients and the corporates that we deal with that they should consider applying for green cards for their employees as soon as possible, because those categories are current. For example, EB2, the employment-based second category is current. That's the other way of looking at it. The third way is you can also self-sponsor yourself for a green card. If you have worked in the national interest of the United States. Let's take an example that you are a well-known scientist in this country who's working on AIDS, working on a topic wherein you found a remedy for AIDS, or if you're working on cancer research, and if your research is really going to benefit the whole country, you may self-sponsor yourself for a green card under the national interest waiver. And the good news is that for most of these countries, the category is current. So that's another way. And if you're an outstanding professor or a person of exceptional ability in the arts, in the sciences, or any such profession, you should consider applying for a green card directly or through your college that can sponsor you, or through a university that can sponsor you. And if you're a very famous artist in this country, and if you're doing a lot of national performances and helping the United States, you need to explore these categories. So besides that, if you are from a country, for example, you're currently living in the United States, and your country conditions are very bad, for example, Syria, and if you are from Africa, a certain part of Africa where things are really bad, and if you think that you're going to be persecuted because of your race, alienage, or national origin, or because of your membership in a particular group, or because of your political opinion, or because of your religion, you should consider applying for political asylum. So these are some of the ways through which you may qualify for a green card. And this is Attorney Gehi. We'll be back again with our viewers with some more news from the world of law as the law progresses.